completely different experience seeing that journey as a passenger down that tight narrow road. Right, we're going to make our way up back to where we left off last time, just at the L'ancresse terminus. Head back up to the start of Pembroke Bay. Flying that one. This appears to be a private residence, privately owned, so I interpret that as. I won't bother the guy. Right, let's check out this bay. As he nearly falls out of a tit. Well, it's currently high tide at the moment, so we're just gonna give it an hour. And then this bay, sand goes right back to there. Looks spectacular. I mean, the video really doesn't do it justice, the size of this bay. A little wonky. The big question everybody's asking is, am I going to go in for a swim? Handy little kiosk for refreshments, which is closed. There you go, that answers my question. Open from 1 PM weekdays and 9:30 AM on weekends.
You are approaching a golf course. Beware of stray balls.
I don't know about you, but personally I think getting hit with a golf ball is going to hurt a lot more than getting hit with a Mavic Mini. That's just my opinion. What's yours? Pop it in the comments below. Subscribe, like, all that crap. Because YouTube likes that sort of thing. Golfists. Grrr. Now it's important when bringing your drone to this northern part of Guernsey that the parish of Vale has a bylaw on Vale Common, which is that side of the golf course with a clubhouse on it. It's a no drone zone down to Vale Church, which you can probably just see in the distance over there somewhere. So that area, because of a local bylaw, there's no fly zone. By Chewy Beach, Chouette and Ladies Bay. So no flying there, naughty boys. Now, in your opinion, what's worse? Golfers or dog walkers? Or the both together? Double trouble. Freezing. It's been almost 30 years sure it's 30 years, since it got swept out to sea on a lorry in a tube right in this bay. And there's even a photograph of me in the inner tube very shortly before it got swept out to sea. I think I got about out to there before my granddad came for me. Couldn't reach me, so my brother saved my life. Cheers, Simon. Nice one, bro. That's all you're getting from Pembroke Beach. I think I'll stay here for another hour or so. Finish off my Strombo out route. Make the most of the lovely weather and the gorgeous blue sky. Well, it looks like the Germans had this bay covered. Look at that. Nothing else for it. It's lunchtime. Cheesy hot dog time. Haha. I was going to say cheesy wiener time. Now, as I haven't brought a towel, stupidly, I'm having to, do this. Get the sand off my feet. Just realised that went downhill pretty fast and turned into some kind of foot fetish video. Right, I'm dried off. Onwards.